Want blazing fast, secure and unrestricted internet in China or anywhere in the world? In this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide to setting up Shadowrocket or V2Ray VPN so you can bypass restriction effortlessly on your phone, PC or a MacBook. One subscription will work across all the devices no matter you are using Mac, PC or an Android phone. Plus, I've got an exclusive 20% off coupon just for you. Click the link in the description, register, download the app and import the nodes in minutes. So let's get started. So click the link in the description and you need to register on this website. After registering, you will find this home page. You can translate this one into English. And remember, this one subscription on this website will work across all the devices and all these apps. For example, V2Ray is an app, Clash is an app, Shadowrocket is an app, Potatsu is an app, Surge is an app. So you will get one subscription and it will work on all the devices and all the apps. In my case, I'm gonna take one app that can be downloaded from the store or directly from the website. You can go to the tutorial section, translate it into English. Here you will find all the tutorials. This is for Windows, this is for Mac, this one is for iOS. If you want to install V2Ray, simply go to App Store and type here V2Ray. You will find this app, V2Ray Client. You can install this app. Later I'm gonna guide you how to bring the nodes inside. Once your app is set, no matter it's Clash, V2Ray or Shadowrocket, remember Shadowrocket is for iPhone and you need to pay $2. After the installation of app, go to store option. Here are different packages, 98 every year, then every month 21, and remember this is not auto renewal. Every month you have to buy again. So there is no auto renewal option. Then every month 40 and the traffic is 200 GB. One important thing is there is no restriction. You can use multiple devices. You can share with one of your friends if you trust, but I don't trust anybody for a VPN because of the security concerns. So here is the actual deal. Let's say I'm gonna get 260 yuan package for 365 days. There is no limit for the devices. I can use multiple devices, this client main devices. There is no speed limit and 600 GB data is available for 365 days. I can go to next step here. This package is selected as you can see the color. Now I can select 12 months and there are only two payment methods. One is Alipay and the other one is WeChat. Price you can see here, and at this place I'm gonna give you 20% discount. Go to this place and write Attiquestic, that's my coupon code, and verify. Remember this price is 213 for now. Look, 161. So with my coupon code you can get 20% off. Now you need to pay via your WeChat or Alipay. And if you don't have payment method, you can ask me. My Instagram is also in the description. So once you're done, go to home page, and here I'm gonna take one example of V2Ray app. I also have Shadowrocket that is currently working. So I already imported this one in Shadowrocket, but for now I'm gonna try V2Ray. Just copy this subscription for V2Ray and open V2Ray app. Now you see this button here, configs. There is a plus button. Just import V2Ray URI from clipboard. Voila, we are done here. Now you can ping all the values, and here you can see the lowest value is the better one. So I'm already connected to a VPN. Let me disconnect that one first. I disconnected it. Open the app again. Go to this one and you can see all the package details here. My package has 300 GB remaining data and date is also shown. Now I can ping all the values again. It's not gonna take time. So now I can select any of these servers. They look so strange, but it's working. You can also select this auto mode and now it's connected. It says tap to disconnect. So you already know that in China YouTube doesn't work. If I open YouTube, it works. Let's disconnect and try again. VPN is disconnected. Try. It will not work because I'm in a great place. So start using VPN and use my coupon code Attiquestic, and link to register to this website is in the description. Have internet freedom.